How's it going? I want to welcome you back to another video. And this video, I'm pretty much just gonna be not really talking about the products of CTFO, but I'm pretty much just gonna get you in the right mindset, and understanding what to expect with promoting any work from home company. My method, what I do. And actually, the crazy thing is, with all the results you've seen over time, I've pretty much been part time with this whole thing. Back in the day, I used to go full time, be online all the time when I was younger. But now I've followed my, like I said in previous videos, I followed my other passion, which is music, etc. So that's where my focus has been this whole time. That's why you don't see a lot of videos. But in the time being, I've been thinking, this is something that I've been good at, for years. I just haven't taken that serious. I've got all types of results, hundreds of dollar days, et cetera, et cetera. But now I want to take it, even more serious, because there's a lot of people that need a little bit more help and need me to be a little bit more accessible. So one thing I want to touch on, with CTFO or any other company you come across me, my main form of advertising is where all you guys pretty much find me all the time. It's YouTube. Everybody always asks me, how you get sign-ups, et cetera, et cetera. It's YouTube. Obviously, there's more in it. A lot of people give you watered-down training on YouTube, telling you to make videos, but it's really a science to this, and I try to help any of my team who really want to get out in videos how to really do it. It's not just, putting a video up. There's, it's criteria that goes with this ranking a video, even getting it on the first page. As you see, you've probably already put videos on YouTube. You might probably already made CTFO videos, but they're not on the first page. And one way to really, know where your video stands, if it's even on the first few pages, is to open up a private browser and actually type in whatever you want to rank your video for. A lot of people will show videos, when they're logged in, to their email account. And what that does is it might show your video on the first few pages, but it's really just going off of history. It's going off of what you recently watched. It's not really showing you the correct standings or where your video is. So you got to open up a private browser. Say even on the future when you really start getting the ranking videos, open up a private browser and type in that keyword, and this will let you know really where your video stands. But yeah, that's been my main form of advertising. I don't do solo ads. I don't do email marketing. I don't do offline marketing. There's a lot of things that I could do, and really take off to the next level. But like I said, I haven't really been in tune with marketing, over the last, 1 or 2 years as, I used to be. The second way that I promote my business, and I'm actually gonna make another video on this company because it's not what you used to. Everybody used to giving you systems, et cetera, et cetera. But at the end of the day, you need traffic to funnel through the system in the first place. That's a lot of people don't want to single in on how they actually get the traffic. The next thing that I use, I've mentioned it before, are these royalty gems. This is an actual what bit of technology, I should say, that really brings people to my system. And I'm going to touch on a little bit about these, but I'm actually going to make some other videos that's going to really blow your mind. Like, you're going to want to take a look at this. But anyways, what this does right now is any website link that I want to send people to, I'll program it online or via the app, and I can write a 40-character message, whether it's saying make money nearby, etc. And it'll broadcast out to anyone, with an Android device, within 100 meters. It'll broadcast this to their phones. There's some parameters, like I mentioned, Android, iPhone, I couldn't broadcast to iPhones yet. But It goes to Android devices, you know, that have their Bluetooth and nearby notification on. You know, a lot of people over the years, you know, they always, why not iPhone? Why does it have to have all this? Just point blank and simple. There's people that have the requirements that I just listed. They have Android. That's 60% of the market. They have nearby, all that active. So even if it wasn't 60%, even if it's just 10% of people that have that, I still get to send my website or whatever to 10% people, more than you know, that aren't getting any leads. But the video that I'm going to update is going to be a big change with this, actually. That's going to really shock the world, and you're going to really want to get it. I don't BS on my channel at all. You're really going to want to listen to what this next video is going to be talking about. Like I said, these are royalty gems. I always leave this link below. It'll be under it'll probably be under, like, I'll probably say how I get leads, and it'll have the website. I'll be more specific, but I'll always leave this link on the every video, because this is literally the other way that I get my clicks and my leads. But yeah, I've been real successful on YouTube with CTFO. And another thing is, this is not just, you know, to make money, but if you're gonna promote CTFO, you obviously want to try a product and consistently try it. So when you're, you know, describing it to people, you can be real and legit on what's going on, you know what I mean? It's pointless for you to get started with a company and you don't even believe in the products enough to buy them or even need them, and then, you know, you try to go resell it. But anyways, I wanted to make that short video, you know, to answer a few questions and let you know I will be taking this way, way more serious, because I have so much, you know, that I could really do to shake the game. Like I said, answering a few more questions, dropping some more content. But make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give this a thumbs up, even if it's not your time to get started with anything. Just keep dabbing, and keep listening and keep watching. You're going to see changes. You're going to see results. I have results. Go check out my videos. There's some missing. I'll explain, you know, the other company I was in. I'll explain everything, because I know there's a lot of different people, you know, all over the place. But like I said, make sure you subscribe to this channel and just keep watching. Comment below with any questions you have. And even if you're not in my team and you need some tips and tricks, I can't give you the whole cake, but I can give you little pieces, you know, because obviously I give the whole cake to who's on my team. That's what brings people my way, because they see value in me. But stay tuned and keep watching for more videos. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to be on